the J3's president, Mr. Garth Gale, announcing his administration's intention to embark on a program of engaging former athletes to provide support services for national teams in international competition. On the face of it, it makes logical sense. Mr. Gale used the example of practicing chiropractor Dr. Neil Gardner as a former athlete who is also a medical professional. The J3s will be seeking to engage Dr. Gardner's expertise in that regard. And again, it stands to reason no one understands the nuances of athletics and international competition better than former athletes. Some might argue the J3s should hire the best experts, whether they are former athletes or not. But again, we assume the J3s will hire Dr. Neil Gardner, not just because he's a former athlete, but Dr. Gardner will be hired because he's a well-qualified and experienced professional who is a former athlete as well. Yes, yes. And in that context, nothing is wrong with a little bit of looking after your own. Yes, yes. I mean, that is what people do in the noble endeavors like business and politics. No. Yeah.